everyone, my name is Chef Jyoti. My Wonderchef app is connected to the chefmagic. Let's see the new recipe. Go to the cloud recipes, click new tab, and today's new recipe is Malvani Fish Curry. Here's the description and the ingredients, and as my tray is ready, I'll click run. So today we are preparing a dish that captures the essence of coastal India with its vibrant flavors and aromatic spice. Let's start from making the gravy. In the first step, it says for the Malvani gravy we have to soak some ingredients. Click OK. And in the next step, we have to clean the fish, pat it dry and marinate with kokum agar. If you don't have kokum agar, then you can soak the kokum petals in hot water for 2 to 5 minutes, and then you can add the syrup to the fish and marinate it. Click OK. On the third step, we'll start with blending the gravy. So we have to attach the multifunction blade and add the ingredients. Soak red chilies, dhania and fennel, onions, turmeric, add fresh coconut cut and diced, and few garlic. Also add 450 grams of water and click OK. As you can see, it's perfectly blended. Now we'll remove this to a bowl. As the base gravy is ready, we'll clean the jar, pat it dry and change the blade to saute blade. Now we'll add oil. After the oil is heated up, let's add mustard seeds. As the tadka is ready, we'll add this blended paste and click OK. The Malvani base gravy is ready. Now it's time to add fishes. And half teaspoon of salt. We have to add this kokum to the gravy. And let the kokum infuse in that Malvani gravy. It smells amazing. And enjoy this vibrant taste of Malvani coast in every bite. Whether it's a special occasion or a simple family dinner, this Malvani fish gravy is always there to impress your family.